Hello, everybody. Sorry about the internet issue earlier.
Where you went at?
The internet went down. You were all gone. Oof. Did you do your math work, though? Maybe. Love it. They're all like, no.
Welcome to math.
Tyler, I'm right here. What's your question? Don't unmute. What's your question? Why you got your hand up?
Welcome to math.
Not math, reading.
Welcome to reading.
Perfect.
Can I read you my book?
I see you, Aaliyah. We're gonna have to see if we have time, but I have to think about it because if you remember, Amia read to us, right? But she used her points to be a guest reader. So we'll have to see if we have time one day, okay? Lately, at least yesterday, I don't know about you guys, but it seemed very busy, didn't it? There, one lesson after another, after an assignment, it was like nonstop. But I would love to hear you read, so we're just gonna have to see if we have time. Okay, guys, while we're waiting for a few other friends. Yes, Amia?
What time is my lunch with teacher?
It's at 11:30.
Okay.
Okay. Tyler, are you still waving or do you have a question? Ask me, I'm right here. Don't unmute, just ask me. Okay. Okay, so we got kicked out of our math lesson earlier because the internet at school went down. Left you guys all in a Zoom room together, but I do want to share with you guys what your math work was in case you did not do it. So from our schedule, it should have been lesson 2. Click on it. We should definitely watch this video. Since our lesson got cut short, you're going to need all the extra guidance you can possibly get. So make sure you watch that video. And then we're going to go over to the next page. And then we're filling in. There's several directions, guys, and you got to make sure that you're following the directions. So it says circle the numbers that make 10, draw a picture, complete the number sentence. So you have to circle your numbers that make 10 and then fill in all of the blanks. It even says to make a picture. So don't forget to do that. All right, and then on the next page, you don't have to draw a picture. It just says circle the numbers that make 10 to make a number bond. One was done for you, and that's it. All righty, but we're gonna get going with our reading lesson. Yesterday we learned the word unique. Do you guys remember our signal for unique? Unique. Who remembers what unique means though? Why are we doing this? What does unique mean? TJ, I haven't heard from you today. What does unique mean?
Something beautiful.
Maybe. It might be beautiful. It could be. But remember, oh, Deslin has an idea. Deslin, what were you thinking?
Special.
Yes, it's something very special, unlike anything else. Right. So that it might mean that something is beautiful, but it doesn't always mean that something is beautiful. So unique just means that something is special. Okay, our other two words for today. One word is shy. Shy means to feel nervous, not comfortable around other people. Do you see Jacobs? I like Jacobs. I like this. That's good. Perfect. And if you look at the picture, look, he's kind of trying to hide behind that tree. So shy, you might be doing like this because you're nervous. You don't want anybody to pay attention to you. You don't like when people talk to you, maybe. It just makes you nervous. All right, so that's shy, and unique. And then our last one for today is invention. Invention is something that has been created from a new idea. So brand new idea. I'm just looking at all your ideas. They're funny. Invention's hard. Oh, it looks like maybe Jacob is making something. I think that's what what Kaylee was doing too. But we kind of want it to be like, so it's an idea kind of, because an invention is not always something that you make. It's just a new idea. So what if we just pointed to our head because we've come up with a new idea that we thought about, that we planned, and it's the very first time anybody's ever thought about it. All right, so let's do our unique, special, one of a kind. Let's do shy. And then let's do invention. Brand new idea that no one's ever thought of. Super cool. Okay, so our book that we started reading yesterday is The Girl Who Thought in Pictures. Okay, if you remember, this is a narrative nonfiction. So it's nonfiction in that it is a true story about a real person with real facts, but it's a narrative because it was written to look like a story, right? It's got pictures that were drawn by an illustrator, right? It tells a little story, it rhymes, it has a beginning, middle, and end, character, setting. So let's do our 5-finger retell. So our thumb is our characters. Who was the character of this story? If you don't remember her name, that's okay, I can help you out. But Kaylee, do you remember?
The girl.
Right, the girl. That's what they, that's her name in the title, The Girl Who Thought in Pictures, but her name is Temple Grandin. Say that at home, Temple Grandin. Or you could say Dr. Grandin, because she was a doctor. So Temple Grandin. All right. Characters, what was the setting? Where did this story take place? Where did the story take place? A little hint is the picture on the back of this book. Where did this story take place? Amia, do you remember? A farm. There were a few settings in the story, right? A few different places she was at, but the main place she was at was a farm because that's where she did all her research and inventions with the cows. So yes, this was about our character was Temple Grandin. Our setting was the farm, and then we have beginning, middle, end. All right, let's start with the beginning. At the beginning, what do you remember that was unique about her? There was something she did not do until she was 3 years old. Do you remember what it was? What was she not able to do? Kaylee?
Talk.
Perfect. She couldn't talk, and when she was young, she couldn't talk, and so people thought something was really wrong with her. They thought she wasn't very smart. They made fun of her, and so then in the middle, her mom decided that she was going to send her where? Where did she send her? Kaden, where'd she send her?
To her grandma.
Well, to her, I think it was her aunt, but where did her aunt live? What kind of place was it?
Farm.
A farm or a ranch. So yes, in the beginning, she didn't talk. She didn't have friends. People were mean. She just really wasn't having a good time. In the middle, her mom decided, I'm going to send you to your aunt's ranch. And she ended up really liking it. And then in the end, because she lived on that ranch, she came up with this invention that made cows really calm. And it just made farms, yes, exactly, Jacob, invention. It just made the cows that lived on the farms, it made them happier because she did all this research and she saw these cows, they're scared, they're being treated really badly, and she didn't like that. She didn't want the animals to be treated badly. So she came up with that idea that was going to help them stay calm and happy, and they wouldn't be scared because she didn't like seeing the animals scared. Okay, so I don't think we're going to read it again. We're going to look at our classwork for today. I don't think you have, don't think you do for today. Yes, it is epic again. So remember, in just a minute, I'm going to look and see who's started on their math assignment. And if you've started on your math assignment already, I'll be sure to write your name down and give you a ticket. But also, we need to be doing this, our AR test. So you'll click this right here. And look, today's book is called The Perfect Jack-O-Lantern. Okay, so you'll click right here where the picture is. And we wait for Epic to come back up. But how many times, show me with those fingers, how many times do we need to read this story? Just, is it once? Oh, good, twice. Because we want to, maybe even 3 times. Kaden, I like that idea, but at least twice. Hey, maybe you'll like the story so much that you'll want to read it 3 times. Maybe. So you're going to read it 3 times. It's going to pop up in just a second. There it is. The Perfect Jack-O-Lantern. One thing that we discovered yesterday, when you get to the last page, do not click finish book if it was not your second time reading it. If you need to go back and read it, don't press finish book yet. Take your little, where'd it go? Well, you can go back this way and go all the way back to the beginning so that you can read it again. Oh, there it is. Or you can drag your little circle back, but don't press finish book until you've read it at least 2 times, because then they close out the book and then it's harder to find. But after you've read it 2 times, you're going to come right back to this page. I got here by going to our class schedule, to Tuesday where it says Get Epic and AR. Then you're going to click right here, these big accelerated reader letters. I'm a student. I'll be Amia for today, just for an example. Okay, so you'll type in your login and you have to click this orange box. No. And then right here, you'll type in the name of the story. So the perfect jack-o'-lantern. The perfect jack-o'-lantern. And you got to make sure that the picture of the book matches. So see the picture and it looks just like that one, right? So then you can press take quiz, start quiz. I'm not going to do it because I'm not going to take Mia's test for her. That would be silly. But you want to make sure that you read the questions carefully. Some of them read the questions for you and some of them do not. If they do not read the questions for you, you can have a grown-up read them out to you, but you need to choose your answers on your own. Yes, Kylie?
The last time we read the other book that you gave us yesterday, we tried to take the quiz, but it was just acting weird and it took us to a whole different thing and we didn't know what to do with it.
Did it look like this page at all, Kylie?
No.
No. Hey, do me a favor. If that happens again today, you guys send me pictures of what your screen looks like so I can ask Ms. Holcomb, our media specialist, for some help, okay?
Okay, I think it looked like that page, but my mama pressed on that thing in the butt, it just took us to a whole nother quiz.
Oh, okay. Well, if you have trouble today, like just send me a picture and I'll be able to help you, okay? Or I'll find out the answer, okay?
Yeah, but it just came. We didn't know what book it went to, but it just literally just came that we didn't know where it came from.
Okay, yeah, we don't want to take mysterious quizzes. That wouldn't be good. Okay, so I am going to let you guys go. I want to make sure that you do not only your epic book, because I know at least the friends in here, they love the epic stories. But if you haven't done your math assignment, I want you to make sure you go back and do that. But I do need to give some points. So let me, couldn't find my phone. Okay, and before I forget, I need to remind you, Trunk or Treat is Thursday. So from 5 to 6 o'clock, you and your grown-up can hop in the car. You can wear a costume or not wear a costume. And you can come to the school. You don't even have to get out of the car. How fancy is that? You just sit in the car with your little bucket or your pillowcase, however you want to collect candy, and you drive through the school, and not through the school, but through the parking lot, and you'll get some candy. So I hope you guys come. We're all excited about it. Travis, I can't see you. You are now. All right, we meet again at 12:20. Yeah, 12:20 for ELA. So you have about 2 hours where you could do your math work and your epic book and eat your lunch. Maybe take a little brain break and then hop back. So I'm going to get some points real quick. And then if you are ready to go, then you can hop off. You don't want to see your points, Travis? All right. Did your points change? Wait, this is not right. Hold on. There we go. There we go. So this is the point where if you don't have any questions and you're ready to hop off and finish your math and do your epic story, then you can just wave quietly and jump off. Yes, Amia?
For Halloween, I'm being Elsa and my sister's being Anna.
Oh, yeah, you guys also have to send me pictures from your Halloween costumes. I want to see your costumes. Yes, Kira?
I forgot.
Oh, okay. Yes, Kaden?
Last time we did Godzilla, and this time we're gonna be Godzilla again.
Oh, you are? Fun. You have a whole outfit? Yeah?
Also, a tail of his.
Oh.
It was from a It was from the store.
Okay.
It was from the store.
Okay, okay. Yes, Jacob?
What time do we go back on again?
12:20. Okay, bye, Jacob. All right, we'll just talk in person, okay, friends? All right. Bye, Kaden. See you later.